A mythical king so beloved that his people refuse to forget him. A festival so grand that it turns an entire state into a canvas of colors, joy, and togetherness. But why does Kerala welcome its ancient king every year? Who exactly is Mahabali? And how did this one festival become the heartbeat of God's own country? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know why Onam is celebrated, but you'll feel its magic too. Long ago, in the Treta Yuga, there lived a powerful and generous Asura king, Mahabali, the grandson of the great Prahalada and a devoted follower of Lord Vishnu. The name, Mahabali, itself carries meaning. Maha means great, and Bali means strength or sacrifice. He wasn't just strong in battle, he was mighty in heart. Mahabali ruled over Kerala, and his kingdom was said to be a land of equality, peace, and prosperity. There was no crime, no poverty, no lies. People lived like one big family. His reign became legendary, so much so, that the heavens themselves felt threatened. The Devas, led by Indra, felt threatened by Mahabali's growing power. So they prayed to Lord Vishnu, and he incarnated as Vamana, a humble Brahmin dwarf. Vamana approached Mahabali during a grand yajna and asked for a simple gift, 3 paces of land. Smiling, Mahabali agreed. But suddenly, Vamana grew in size, transforming into Trivikrama, covering the heavens with one step, the earth with another. With nowhere left for the third step, Mahabali bowed his head and offered himself. Pleased by his humility, Vishnu granted Mahabali a boon. Once every year, he could return to visit his people. And that is the essence of Onam. Onam isn't just a festival. It's Kerala's homecoming. Every year, Malayalis believe that King Mahabali returns from the underworld to witness the happiness of his people. Onam marks the day his memory is celebrated, his generosity, his sacrifice, and the golden age of his rule. It's a time when every Malayali, no matter where they are in the world, feels an invisible pull back home. A reminder that prosperity isn't just wealth, but unity, kindness, and gratitude. But here's where it gets fascinating. Onam isn't just remembered, it's lived. The celebrations last 10 days, each filled with rituals, fun, and culture. Pookalam, intricate floral rangolis designed at home entrances, symbolizing welcoming Mahabali. Onazadya, the grand vegetarian feast, served on banana leaves, with over 26 dishes that'll make your taste buds dance. Vallamkali, the iconic snake boat race across Kerala's backwaters, pure adrenaline and tradition combined. Pulikali, men painted as tigers dancing to traditional beats, symbolizing the playfulness of Onam. Kathakali or folk arts, dance dramas narrating ancient tales, reminding us of Kerala's deep cultural roots. For 10 days, Kerala transforms into a living museum of colors, lights, and laughter, a festival where tradition meets celebration. Onam is more than mythology. It's the story of a king's love for his people, a community's gratitude, and a reminder that humility wins hearts across time. So, this Onam, when you see the vibrant Pookalams, the grand feasts, and the joyous boat races, remember, you're not just celebrating a festival, you're welcoming a king back home. Enjoyed the story of Onam? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sphere Things for more amazing stories from India's culture and traditions. Happy Onam!